So this is probably one of our quote success stories, but it's not been easy. Steve spends a lot of time out here, and this had also a really a good backup guy with BLM, Terry Rusi, who's retiring very soon now, who had the same degree of interest, very helpful in all of the work we've done here.
Now, is this area that we're looking at where we've actually seen the pupfish, has it had to be managed?
Yes.
With construction and...
Yeah, that's why Eldon's name came up, was because he had photos of this site in the 1950s, and it looked just like this. But in the mid-90s, the channel was filled with cattails and a different species of bulrush, the hardstem bulrush, Schonoplectus acutus.
Do you know where they came from?
They're native.
Oh, they are.
So
okay.
what happens is that species seeds in and starts as a little stalk, and then it spreads as a clone, and it pretty much had taken over the whole channel here. And I suspect because there were dams built downstream that sort of backed up the water and slowed the flow, that may have influenced the colonization by those plants. But I'd done some work down in the Mojave with controlling emergent vegetation, and so we came in here and basically timed it with a regime that actually just eliminated the invasive native but invasive species, so that we restored the open water condition as it looked in the 50s, and that allowed us to go in and remove the bass with electrofishing and spearfishing, install that low head fish barrier, and then reintroduce the pupfish. And you'd asked about, did we let the bass go or did we kill them? In this case, I marked every bass and I let it go below the barrier as a kind of an ultimate test of the barrier, because the bass want to come back where they came from, and particularly in the cool months it's warmer up here and they like that, and none of them were ever able to come over the barrier.